Tired of your website looking like a jumbled mess of internet spaghetti? Let's untangle that web and get your GoDaddy domain smoothly connected to your Kajabi site. First, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the My Products page, locating the domain you wish to connect to Kajabi. Next, click on DNS. To access the domain's DNS settings, this is where we'll make the magic happen. Now, open your Kajabi account in a new tab and go to Settings. Then click on Domain here. You'll find Kajabi's specific instructions for connecting a custom domain. Kajabi will provide you with two crucial pieces of information and a record pointing to a specific IP address, and a CNAME record pointing to your Kajabi subdomain. Back in GoDaddy, add a new record in the host field. Enter in the points to field. Enter the IP address provided by Kajabi, then save the record. Now add a new CNAME record in the host field. Enter www in the points to field. Enter your Kajabi subdomain, which typically looks like your site Kajabi.com, then save the record. Head back to Kajabi and enter your domain into the custom domain area. Click Save. Keep in mind, it can take up to 48 hours for these DNS changes to propagate across the internet. Once complete, Kajabi will verify your domain and issue an SSL certificate. Congratulations! Your GoDaddy domain is now seamlessly connected to your Kajabi site, giving you a professional online presence. Remember to check back in Kajabi in a couple hours, so you can ensure your domain is connected, and now you're set for success.